kids, welcome back to our learning world. Today we are going to explore outdoor and nature things. Let's go outside and see what we can find. Ready? Let's go! Tree. Wow, look at this tall tree. Tree gives us fresh air and shade. They have leaves, branches and roots. Flower. Aren't this flower beautiful? Flowers come in many colors, red, yellow, pink and blue. They smell so nice. Grass. This is a grass. It's soft and green and we can walk or play on it. Grass covers the ground like a green carpet. Butterfly. Look kids, a butterfly. It has a beautiful wings and loves to fly near flowers. Butterflies drink sweets, nectar from flowers. Bird. Here is a bird. Bird have feathers and wings and they can fly high in the sky. Twit twit. Cloud. Look up. What do you see? Clouds. Clouds are soft and fluffy. They float high in the sky. Sometimes they bring rain. Sun. Here comes the sun. The sun gives us light and keeps us warm every day. Rainbow. Wow, a rainbow. It has so many colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue and purple. Rainbow appears after rain when sun shines. Rock. This is a rock. Rocks can be big or small. We can find them on the ground or near rivers. Waterfall. Look kids, a waterfall. Waterfalls are made up when water falls from a height. They look so beautiful and make a lovely sound.
Like, share and subscribe Buddy Kitty.